This tutorial will show you how to assemble the split hoodie pocket typically found in zippered hoodies. I'll be using a pattern in my demonstration, but the steps are generic enough that they should be able to help you with other patterns as well. You'll need your pocket pattern and your front jacket pattern. Cut two from each pattern, but make sure they're two opposite pieces so you have a left and a right side. For each fabric pocket piece, on the angled edge, turn on the fold line or 5/8 of an inch to the wrong side. Press. On the raw edge, turn about 1/4 of an inch under, press again. At your sewing machine, stitch along the inside bottom folded edge. You can use a regular length straight stitch, but you might want to increase to at least a 3-stitch length if your fabric is thicker like sweatshirt fabric. On the two remaining shorter raw edges, turn to the wrong side 5/8 of an inch and press. Place each pocket on the corresponding front fabric piece. Both are right side up. Match up any marks you have. The two remaining raw edges line up with the center front line and bottom edge. Pin in place. At your sewing machine, edge stitch sewing next to the folded edges on the top inside of the pocket. Do not sew the diagonal edge or you won't have an open pocket. Then baste the two long raw edges of the pocket, attaching it to the front pieces. You'll use your longest stitch length and you don't have to backstitch. You'll continue with the construction with the rest of your hoodie. The bottom of the pockets will be finished when the jacket band is attached. We have a video on the jacket band, so you can reference that video if you need to, or the knit cuff video if you're doing that instead. The center front of the pockets will be finished when the separating zipper is attached. We have a tutorial on the separating zipper if you need help. This is what the pockets will look like when completed. If you did it right, the opening will be where the diagonal edge is. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching.